Thutha wa acirithania tatu a igoti nene kuringithia ndari itua-ini riria ritemeire njira kwihitithio kwa Abraham Kithure Kindiki ta munini wa president wa gatatu rungu rwa gatiba ya mwaka wa 2010, wakiri a munini wa president Muhagure maugite ati itua riri ririkitie bururi nduma-ini ndikadiku gukira haria urari.
We request you to recognize that you could be wrong, and if you're wrong, then the pending proceedings before the Court of Appeal would be rendered nugatory. To avoid that possibility, the possibility that the Deputy President's right to appeal, which you recognized and affirmed and upheld by giving him leave to appeal even where he needed none, we ask you to issue a Madhu Paper injunction.
If the court want to say that has no power to defend the Constitution, history will absolve me. If the court want to pave way and mutilate this Constitution, history will absolve me. If the court want to midwife an injustice, history will absolve me.
No munini wa munene wa watho agitongoria batuni ya mawakiri a mwena wa thirikari atugiritie ucamba wa acirithania aya akiuga ati ugi uria mahuthirite guthathaura gatiba uringitie bururi mukuru-ini urari muriku no tungata wao kuri bururi ukite ihinda-ini riria riagiriire.
My Lord, that you have given a detailed and a very comprehensive analysis of your ruling. You've gone into graphic details and you have addressed various issues and given a determination on the same.
What you have done is dismissed the application of conservative order. So that's a negative order. The court cannot be invited to review or to stay a negative order that has dismissed an application.
Igoti riukirirwo ni mwena wa rigathi ni kurira kiuria gia kana munini wa president Mwamure ni ahingitie ikiro cia guikarira giturwa giki na kiuria kia uigiririki wa IEBC hari kuhitukia mundu uria president amura guikarira giturwa kia munini wa president thutha wa ihagura.
That London is not burning and that a vacancy is contemplated, and actually a vacancy of 74 days. Within which due process ought to be initiated to ensure that a rightful person, fully qualified, fully known in law, fully appreciated by the law, takes over office.
We are not before this court, my Lord, to litigate in installments. My learned colleague, Mr. Ndegwa, has all along been aware that Professor Kindiki was nominated. For him to just spring up now and start raising issues concerning Professor Kindiki is just but a mockery of the justice system.
Ona kuria uguo mwena wa munini wa president Muhagure ukirire acirithania aya ni gutaura gatiba na icibao iria irenderera mwena wa thirikari. Igeria ria mwena uyu ria kwenda kwihitithio gwa Kindiki gutirio nginya muthenya wa keri kiumia giukite ritungitio uregani ni igoti riria riugite ati bururi kwaga munini wa president ni ugwati wa gatiba na wathani mwega.
To again turn around and grant orders whose effect is the very suspension of the Constitution that we have stated will, in our view, be an absurdity.
Ikereka riu ringi ria bitika ya meciria ma watho iroretio igoti-ini ria gucokia macira riko, no wa mwanya ni ati ona cira nduri urambiriria maya no meciria ma kiambiriria mbere ya guthikiririo gwa cira kihinyio uria uratuma Joyfrey Rigathi wa Gachagua atetie kuhagurwo gwake. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.